To run a report card, click Administrator Reports, then Report Card. Select the terms that you want to appear on the report card. I'm going to go with all 4 quarters. Under Display Mode, choose Normal. Normal will show you only concluded classes, and that's what you want if this is the end of the term. If a class is not concluded, it will not appear on the report card. A list of unconcluded classes will appear on the right. If final grades are not in yet, but you want to see what the layout will look like, choose Preview, and then you will see both concluded and non-concluded classes on the report card. Next, you need to select which students are going to be on the report card. And there's 3 ways to do this. Choose Individual to filter students by their name or grade level. Choose Class to run a report card by students who are taking a certain class. And choose Grade Level to run a report card for all the students in a certain grade level. If you have multiple report card profiles, you can choose your profile here. Then press Submit. Once you have your report card, you can print it, save it to a PDF, or publish it online.